this, of course. The first time that I met the Prime Minister, and very graceful of him to have seen our film. And I know हम बहुत nervous थे उस दिन, और हमें बताया गया था अच्छा आप यहाँ पे खड़े हो ना, आप यहाँ खड़े हो ना, जब सर आएंगे तो there has to be a little distance, you can't be very close to, like all those instructions were given to us. It's like I'm already tensed, I don't know what will happen.
Hi Rashi, we have an exciting collection of photos of you and we would like you to revisit and share the stories behind each one of them.
Yeah, so this image, this is actually very special to me because उस टाइम पे सोशल मीडिया इतनी नहीं होती थी, हम इतनी फोटोज़ नहीं खींचते थे. बट आई रिमेंबर मेरी मम्मा ने सोचा कि मैं आज स्टूडियो में जाऊंगी और फोटो खींचूंगी हम दोनों के साथ, मैं और मेरा भाई हैं. आई ऑब्वियसली डोंट रिमेंबर दिस डे, बट मुझे पापा बताते थे कि ये मेरी फेवरेट फ्रॉक थी, रेड कलर विद द सनफ्लावर ऑन इट. एंड मैं अभी देख रही हूँ इसमें मम्मी ने टीका भी लगाया हुआ है मुझे. इट इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. इट ऑल्सो मेरे घर पे भी जो हम लोग फ्रेम्स लगाते हैं, आई हैव दिस इन वन ऑफ द फ्रेम्स. दैट्स वेरी स्पेशल फोटो. दिस इज़ माई नानी. And I'm very, very close to her. Today, whoever I am or whatever values I have or whatever I know of our texts, be it religious or spiritual, it's because of her. She's very today's woman also. Like है वो मेरी नानी, लेकिन उनकी सोच जो है वो बहुत आज की है. Like she'll be like, do what you want to do in life, one life, don't think so much, be happy, and very simple things that she says that have shaped my life, and I really love her. Oh, this one. So as you may have seen, अभी recently हमारा song launch हुआ है, and उसमें we were playing Holi, and I remember it was a very difficult day because कितनी बार आपके ऊपर रंग उड़ रहा है, उतना ही आपको continuity का ध्यान रखना है, कलर कहाँ गिरा उधर ही रहना चाहिए. तो बहुत मुश्किल था. एंड फरहान लाइक अरे फोटो लेते हैं. एंड आई सेड सर फोटो तो ले लेंगे, आप पूरे ब्लू हैं और मैं कलर्स में. ही इज लाइक बट दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट, लेट्स टेक अ पिक्चर. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द फ्यू पिक्चर्स एक्चुअली वी सैट एंड वी गॉट क्लिक्ड टुगेदर. ओह दिस पिक्चर, दिस एक्चुअली पिक्चर बिकेम वेरी पॉपुलर जब ली थी हमने. दिस पीपल आर वेरी एक्साइटेड कि अब राजन डी के सर फैमिली मैन के बाद क्या करेंगे. उस टाइम हम फर्जी शूट कर रहे थे, बट हमने ऑनेस्टली इतना प्यार एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था जितना उसको मिला. काफ़ी प्यार मिला. एंड ऑब्वियसली BTS है ये. दिस वाज एन ईजी डे. हम एक घर में शूट कर रहे थे, ये गोवा की फोटो है. एंड राज सर एंड DK सर वर लाइक ओके लेट्स क्लिक अ पिक्चर, एंड वी क्लिक्ड अ पिक्चर. स्वीट. I don't know, ये AI picture है.
So Rashi, we decided to take our imagination a notch up. So we imagined you as an Indian Army officer fighting on the battlefield. Using the power of Gemini AI on the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, we brought this vision to life.
I think this is a casting call. This is for people to see and understand that I will look good in it. No, I hope that happens. But this is amazing, guys. This is such... AI क्या क्या कर रहा है. Oh, this picture. So me and Vikrant were shooting actually for तलाकों में एक, ये फिल्म है जो अभी तक आई नहीं है, बट जब भी आएगी. हमने साबरमती रिपोर्ट बाद में शुरू करी थी, पर शूटिंग फॉर तलाकों में एक. और मुझे याद है हम सेट से मैं चली गई तैयार होने इस शो के लिए, एंड ही वाज आल्सो गेटिंग रेडी, बट हमने बात नहीं करी थी कि विल मीट एट द सेम प्लेस. एंड वी मेट एट द सेम प्लेस. एंड लाइक अरे तू भी आया है. ही इज लाइक तू भी आया है. तो मुझे भी अवार्ड मिल रहा है, अच्छा तुझे भी. सो देन वी डिसाइडेड कि हम पिक्चर लेते हैं साथ में. दिस इज एक्चुअली द camaraderie that we share. It's like he's fun. He's in this picture. Now I don't know what joke we were cracking, but I think Che also noticed that I would always talk to Venki sir more on set than Che, because I think Che was a little introvert. He is, तो वो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता है. So I would always sit with Venki sir, and he's also a very spiritual person. तो वो मुझे किताबों के बारे में, spiritual किताबों के बारे में, उनकी जर्नी के बारे में बहुत बताते थे. And we would also crack jokes, but if you can see, it's more of us listening to him and just reacting to what he's saying. Oh, so this is my first Malayalam film. I was very scared because Malayalam is not an easy language at all. I have aced Telugu and I'm sort of decent in Tamil, but Malayalam बहुत मुश्किल है. और मुझे याद था, मुझे लगता था मैं कैसे करूँगी, मैं रटे तोते की तरह लगा. I would just sit with the script and try to learn the lines. This is my introduction shot actually. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ करने को नहीं था. मोहनलाल सर थे इस फिल्म में, तो जब भी वो आते थे ना, तो ऐसा लगता था अरे अपना बेस्ट डिलीवर करना है. Like you would be with that stress. But this is with my directors. Good memories. Oh, this. So a lot of people actually thought this is from Farzi 2. It actually is not. It's a show I'm doing for Amazon where I'm playing this Punjabi cop, like full Punjabi, full throttle Punjabi. Not a lot of people know it. It's yet to be announced, like full-fledgedly from Amazon's side, but it's one of the most fiercest characters that I've played, and I'm really excited जब भी ये बाहर आएगा. Oh, this picture, I have to tell you about this one. This is with Pawan Kalyan sir. I usually don't want to bother my co-stars with the picture, you know, कि क्या ही बोलना, like, you know, दिन भर उनको फोटो के लिए मांगते रहते हैं और पवन कल्याण सर such a phenomena that वहाँ पे तो उनके लिए लाइनें लग जाती हैं. तो I didn't want कि किसी भी दिन मैं उनके साथ खड़ी हूँ और मैं उनको बोलूँ सर फोटो लेते हैं. So I didn't want to make him feel uncomfortable. But this day, जब उनका wrap up हुआ on the film, this is Ustad Bhagat Singh, which is going to be releasing next year. जिस दिन उनका रैप अप हुआ उन्होंने ही बोला टेक अ पिक्चर विद मी. सो आई टुक माई फोन आउट एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट, ही इज ओनली आस्किंग मी टू टेक अ पिक्चर. आई मीन इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस थिंग, यू नो, आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इट इन वर्ड्स. तो मैंने फ़ोन उठाया और मैंने कहा ऑफ कोर्स, यू नो सर, आपके साथ आई टेक अ पिक्चर एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड द पिक्चर. वेरी स्वीट ऑफ हिम. Oh, this is, I think, whoever knows me and her knows that we are best friends. And she's like my sister, she's like my family, Vani. And this is in Hyderabad. I think she had come around my birthday to Hyderabad and we had gone for lunch, and this is where we clicked a picture. I think N Grill उस time था, अब तो नहीं. वो restaurant भी याद है मुझे, because I wanted her to have this special dessert. And you know, now when I'm talking, I'm thinking कि कितनी pictures होती हैं, you know, where there are so many memories और लोग सिर्फ picture देखते हैं, they don't see the story behind it, but that's the story. We love to eat together. So yeah. Oh, this is in Chandigarh. You're promoting our film Yodha. मुझे याद है उसने मुझे ग्लास दिया सिद्धार्थ ने, and I was like, ये इतनी लस्सी तो मैं नहीं पीऊँगी. And he said, मैं भी नहीं पीऊँगा, मैं सिर्फ फोटो खींचनी है और एक दो सिप ले लेना, थोड़ी अच्छी लगी तो 3-4 सिप ले लेना. I remember having that conversation and we laughed, and this is pictures from that. We had some yummy food. Oh, this is a very cute picture. Yeah, Kajal and her son Neil. Not a lot of people know that, or I don't know if they've joined the dots, but Kajal's son is Neil and my nephew is Neil. It's like, oh, ye bhi Neil hai. This is like, I already felt close to him when I met him. He was younger than he is today, but I went to her house. Basically, she'd called me. She wanted to host me in her house in South Bombay. And मैं उनके घर गई, and we had some discussions about some books and our spiritual journey and all of that. I had a very nice time, and she made me drink this really amazing chai because she knows I love chai, so she gave me that, and I had some cake, and she told me gluten free hai, ye sugar free hai, kha le. Like, I was like, that's what our life has come to, all of us actors. She's like, I know what you want, so I'll give you this. So she was a lovely host. She was a wonderful person. Oh, this picture with Sam. So ये एक award show था, मुझे याद है, और मैं सैम के साथ बैठी थी, and I remember we were discussing some things, and I said, you know, there's something on your lip, like above your lip and all. And she's like, क्या है, क्या है? And I said, lipstick. And I took my hand out just to clean it because I knew pictures में सब दिखता है, you know. So this was that moment. This, of course, the first time that I met the Prime Minister, and very graceful of him to have seen our film. And I know हम बहुत nervous थे उस दिन, और हमें बताया गया था, अच्छा आप यहाँ पे खड़े हो ना, आप यहाँ खड़े हो ना, जब सर आएंगे तो, you know, there has to be a little distance, you can't be very close to, like, all those instructions were given to us. It's like, I'm already tensed, I don't know what will happen. But it was so sweet, and he was really nice because he sort of broke the ice immediately when he came. हमने picture करी, हमें लगा ज़्यादा बात नहीं होगी, but he actually discussed the film, and he discussed that time, and I think we were all scared to even ask him anything, but he was like, नहीं बात करेंगे, you know, and we spoke a lot that day, but very sweet of him. Oh, this one. So, as much as I love adventure sports, Vani hates it, and this is, I think, in Singapore we went. I told her we'll do zipline and all, and she's like, मुझे मरने का कोई शौक नहीं है. And I said, नहीं, this is an easy one, you know, it'll be easy for us. But उसके बाद मुझे याद है वो साइड में थी और मैं यहाँ थी, और they were fixing us to take the zipline, and she's like, हम साथ में नहीं कर रहे हैं. मैंने कहा नहीं, अलग कर रहे हैं. तो I said, भैया धक्का दे दो इसको, ये करेगी नहीं. I mean, she was very scared. I was like, it's fine if you don't want to do it, but it'll be fun. And she gave in, and you know, we had fun, and she's like, आज कर लिया, दोबारा नहीं करूँगी. She's not into all of that, but sweetly she did it. Obviously, this is my first film. And I don't know if a lot of people knew, कोई media training नहीं, PR training नहीं, कुछ नहीं होती when you are really innocent and all. I remember I was going onto the stage and I tripped. and a lot of people carried it. Okay, oh, she tripped. And I remember having a conversation with my manager, and I was laughing, and I was like, ha ha ha, मैं गिर गई. And she's like, तुम्हें कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. I said, but क्यों? It's so human. Like, you know, it's such a human thing to do. It was fun. And मुझे याद है इस दिन भी मुझे 1 घंटा पहले बताया गया था कि ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो रही है. And I remember मैं ऑटो में गई ट्रेलर लॉन्च में, and I went to it, and no hair, makeup, nothing, just बाल ऐसे ही हैं, मेकअप खुद कुछ टिंट लगा लिया. उस टाइम तो मेकअप की भी अकल नहीं थी. This picture is from Exavis Bahadur, and I remember our cinematographer was so particular about the timings of when I want that shot, that for this he said, I want this shot at 6:30 in the morning, so make sure you're in HMU and everything. 6:30 dot we were there. Like I think Farhan sir भी उनसे डरते थे कि अगर उसने बोला है तो इस टाइम पे पहुंचना है. And yeah, so a very very early morning shot. He wanted the dew drops, he wanted the sun in a certain way. So you see that in the cinematography of our film. It's really good.
So Rashi, while you were sharing your stories with us, we created this cute portrait of you on the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and we would love to have your autograph on it.
Wow. But thank you, this is so sweet.